Good morning and welcome to lesson number 6, the new version. Today we're going to look at the cloning tool. Now the cloning tool is a very special tool that can be used for a myriad of purposes. We as usual are going to disappear something. Now in the case of this photo that we have in front of us of a tree in Amsterdam, what I want to do is get rid of this bicycle because it really annoys me. In fact, I'll probably get rid of both of them in the end. But obviously the first thing you always try and do is to use that magic tool. First we'll grab a lasso, go around it, being careful to keep that sign about the historic house, and recircle the bicycle like we did to disappear me on Taormina. Okay, here we go to fill. You always try this first in case it works. Content aware. Okay, and this is what we get. Okay, so it's sampled around and it's taken a piece of the bicycle, the other bicycle here, and the fence, and it's got rid of the wall. Complete disaster. I'll try Control Z. But all I get is my deselect back. So what you need to do to go back to the start is to go to history, over here. Your history will be somewhere on your desktop. Just go back to open and you go back a couple of steps. Close that again with the little arrows over there. Okay. So what we're going to do instead is use the clone tool. Now what the clone tool does, I'll try and make it more obvious to show you exactly what it does. Now the cloning tool is over here, just above the eraser. We click on that and we make it bigger by using our square brackets. A nice big one. Okay, so there I am on the tree. So I press Alt and we get a little sample crosshair target thing, and we click on that. Okay, so now we have captured a part of the tree and we can put it wherever we want. Put one there, put one there, and what it actually does is it follows me around. I cannot see it. Okay, I'll try somewhere else. Okay, so I'll get a sample of the fence from over here. So I go over here, press the Alt, get the target, click it again, and now I've got part of the tree, of the fence. Okay, now what actually happens is that it follows you across. Okay, so I've got the capture. Okay, so if I click here, I have over where the bike is a little cross. I don't know, I hope you can see it. And then if I follow along, I'm replacing what I do, but at the same time that cross is following me. And there I am at the first thing. So I don't know if that makes sense, but we'll see it in close up in a minute when I actually do the replacement of the bike, getting rid of the bicycle. Okay, so once again back to history, back to open, so we're back at the beginning again. Close that history window. Now, what I'm going to do is zoom in on the bicycle. So Control plus, that bike. There it is. Make this clone snap a lot smaller so it's not as in your face. And what we're going to do is, firstly I'm going to start around here where the edge of this ledge is. So I will choose that. So we use the Alt button, take a sample, and then I'm going to start to replace it as I move along the bicycle. Okay. I might also start going back from the other direction. Control 1, hit the Alt button, go back the other way, so I've got a little bit of different ledge, so it's not all exactly the same. Okay, so that's not too bad, although it'll look better in the other one. Now, I'll grab a piece of this pole. Okay, so part of the fence. Example, and move down the fence, making sure to keep the pole in the right spot. Now, luckily all these poles are the same distance apart. I should be able to just move over here and grab that pole as well and go down. Okay, so we go above the seat, grab the pole, and you see, make sure that pole's in the right spot. And we should be able to keep going down until we meet the edge. Okay, so we just keep going like that. I'm going to start moving ahead a bit more. So what you would do over here is you grab the Alt, and I've got a bit of brickwork, so I'll get rid of the handlebars. And we just continue in that vein. Okay, I'll catch you on the other side. Okay, so there we are, all finished. So fairly good rendering on the brick, and the brick there and the poles are looking pretty good, especially when we go back out to, once we're not in the close-up on screen. That bike is gone and it's looking absolutely fabulous. Okay, I hope you have fun with the cloning tool. It's always an exciting piece of software. Okay, I'll see you in lesson 7. Have a good time.